Hello, here is Dr. Nayan from Advaita Homeopathic Clinic, healing through nature, art and homeopathy. So, today we are going to discuss something because I don't have any topics to make video on and I'm little bit confused today. So, let's discuss about something. So, most of the people, even students, practitioners, used to believe that homeopathy is in those homeopathic books. Okay, homeopathy is very limited to homeopathic remedies, but it is not like that. Homeopathy is actually everywhere in day-to-day life, in the spirituality, in the healing, in the life. Okay, everywhere there is homeopathy. Homeopathy believes in concept of individualization. Okay, and if I go deeper into it, homeopathic practice solely based on the pattern you are carrying within your subconscious, which matches with something in the nature. Okay, but see, homeopathy is nothing but a process of being one with yourself. Okay, and I can give you hundreds of examples regarding the same. Okay, so homeopathy is nothing but a process of becoming one with your subconscious, one with yourself. Okay, by flowing out what you have hold on for a longer period of time within. So, see, we can find homeopathy in everything. Okay, homeopathy is equal to nature, is equal to spirituality, according to me. And that is what makes the homeopathy so special for me and for my life. That is all. So, another thing, if you have any questions, any queries, just comment it and I will make a video on it. That will help us both to grow, expand, and experience. So make sure to follow, share, and like.